In this video, I will show you that how to delete a TikTok video. So first of all, we will open up our TikTok application here. Okay. And then we will go into our profile. We will like tap on our profile into the bottom right screen here. And then we have to select the video that we want to delete. So let's suppose if we want to delete this video here, we will tap on three dots here, and if you scroll right through these options, in the end you will see this option which is like delete, and then you have to just press this here. And now if you press this option here, delete, this video will be deleted from your account. So that's how to delete a TikTok video. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.